Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing interview. Today I'm checking out this bottle washing machine. So when our kids were little, it was not an easy thing to keep all the bottles washed, and I'm sure if you've experienced that, it's kind of a hassle. You got to get the bottle brush in there maybe, or try to put them in the dishwasher, or try boiling it, or different things. So this one basically washes, sterilizes, and dries. I'm going to check this out, see how well a job it does. Could be like pretty much a lifesaver though for those that have little ones that are using still on the bottle. So let's check this out here. Got that, and we can. That's it for that. There's that. And we have some tape on the sides here. Holds 2.5 liters. And we have our plug-in. We have detergent tablets. We also have a little drain hose, so we can just set this over the sink, let the water run into there. Okay, so we have this little screen that goes on top, so we can put our other things there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Looks like we have 8 different things there. Has 26 powerful spray jets. I mean, look at that. It's basically like a little dishwashing machine in there, which is pretty sweet. In the bottom here, looks like we have what we got here? Oh, little filter that can be replaced. Okay, and that's nice. And in the back, we have our wastewater thing and our plug-in, so we can plug those in. Yeah, it's basically just like a nice little dishwasher. And then we have, of course, the other stuff we can put on top here. So let's go set this up on the counter. I'm gonna get some, maybe some pacifiers and things like that. I have a little UV light too, so we can see if there's different colors on there or something. You know, we can see if there's germs on there or not. And then we'll test out, run a clean cycle, and see how well this does, guys. All right, friends, so I filled up the reservoir with water and placed that on there. You just use a hose to fill it up, or you can take the tank off and set it on there. And I plugged the hose in the back and ran it down here into my sink. So I have a couple milk bottles here, and I got my UV light, and we can see right on here that we got some stuff in there. Okay, we got the pacifiers. I don't know if you guys can see that. Can you see that okay? It's showing like kind of stuff on there. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. I'm not seeing it on the screen as I'm looking here, but I see like a stain right there and stuff like that on the pacifier. Let's see. So there's some, yeah, look, looks like you can see it right here. There's some stuff on there. And then we have our little bit of milk left over in here. Some of it's dried on there and stuff like that. So this should be a good challenge for this. It's been in there a couple days. Okay, so for these, take this top part off, and we can see in there, it's a little, you know, needs some stuff. But say you're supposed to like dump this out. But I want to give it a good challenge here. So there's a little bit of milk in there. Most people are probably just going to just set it on there or whatever. So we'll do that. That one. And that one. Okay, so it has these. We can put this on inside here as well. Basically just put those onto these, I think. There's another one there. And then another one right here. Okay. Now, this goes on the top, like so. We got our little tablets here, and we can throw one in there. So I'll try to get just one. And it says just basically just drop it in there. Doesn't have to be any special location or anything. Okay, it's basically like a little mini dishwasher, which is kind of cool. All right, so we saw all that stuff that was on these. pacifiers. So we're just going to kind of put them in here. Got our little lids and everything too. And these as well. Just gotta throw them on there. Okay, we're gonna cover it with this. It's basically just like a dishwasher, so. Okay. Okay, once it's powered on, then you can select just whatever you want. You want drying and storage, you want sterilization. Let's do the whole shebang here. We'll go standard, which is gonna have your drying and sterilization, or you can do select the fast and do it. I'm gonna go standard. Let's see, fast is gonna shave off 10 minutes, looks like, and then we're just gonna hit press and there you go, hit the play button, and it says washing. Okay. So the water was up to here and it starts draining down. Let's take a look at the back here so we can see. The cord plugs in right here and the drain spout plugs in right there. Oh wow. So you got the jets going already. Look at that. Looks like spraying around pretty good. Alrighty, so it's finished the standard sterilization and then it's just continuing on the drying and storage. I think I might have placed those upside down because the water can go into the back of it. So if I placed it like face up, then it probably would have drained all the way. But we'll see how it does. It's not done yet. Well, let's check out how it did here. Take off the lid there. All right, here's a lid there. And let's see the bottles in here. All right, first initial look. I don't see any stuck on stuff at all, even though we let it sit for a while in the, so that looks really clean. I'm gonna go over it with UV light here as well. And I put these on there correctly and there's no water on those. Just how clean it is though, so here we go. Right, I don't see any, nothing on there. Nothing that would indicate like, hey, this is like stained or anything like that. So, looks pretty good, actually. I don't see anything popping up like in here. So that looks, they smell clean, they look clean, and the UV light's not really catching anything. So I think it did a really good job of cleaning. Yeah, inside it's all nice and clean. It's easy to use, easy to turn on. Okay, so we have up to 8 bottles you could fit in here pretty easily. These can be removed. I pulled one out. You just have this little tab right there. You push the tab in and then you can pull it out, or you can just stick it back in there. So you can click this into place. Make sure it's facing the correct direction there and just kind of push it in there like that. These also can be removed if you need to just push that little tab there and then you can pull them out. So configure it. Well friends, quite handy. This will wash up to 8 bottles, plus all the pacifiers and things like that. It does an excellent job. You don't have to worry about, you know, cross-contamination or weird stuff. It did an excellent job. I had that dried milk in there and it got everything out there super clean. Nothing left on here, so that's nice. I like how it washes, rinses, sterilizes. It just does an excellent job. So if you know, like when I had my boys were younger, it was, you know, washing bottles all the time. You got to get out the water, the bottle washer, and put it in there and scrape it all out or whatever, and try to do it that way. It could just kind of be a handful, and then you got to try to stack them up and dry them too. So it was just kind of tedious. This kind of eliminates that, as far as you just throw them in there, let it go, and when you wake up in the morning or whatever, it's all done, and you got your bottles, your pacifiers, everything's nice and clean and sterilized. So yeah, just quiet, doesn't take up much space. It does an excellent job, guys. Just a nice little product here. So thanks for watching this review. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.